How to delete theme in Canva. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I can delete theme in Canva. In order to delete a theme in Canva, first of all, open any web browser of your choice on your device and in the search bar type in canva.com. This is the official URL of Canva. Once after typing the keyword, now press on the enter key of your keyboard to search for it. Now within a while, you'll be taken to the official website of Canva. Here ensure that you are logged into your account. Now once you are logged into your account, you will need to navigate to the theme which you would like to delete. Simply click on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen and then in this menu, here select the theme that you would like to delete. And then you will be presented with that theme account. You will need to click on the settings or the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you click on it, you will be presented with the settings menu at the left side. Now from here, you will need to navigate to the theme settings and under it, click on the theme details option. Soon after doing that, you will be presented with the theme details at the right side. Here at the very bottom, you will be able to locate delete theme option. This will permanently delete the theme as well as all the resources within it. If you are really sure to delete your theme, then click on this delete button at the right side of the option. By doing so, a pop-up will appear. Here it says, once you delete your theme, all your designs, brand kits and other content presented in this theme will be deleted and you will be logged out right away. Also, you will have 14 days to restore the theme if you change your mind. And if you want to restore your theme, you will need to either visit the help center of Canva or you will need to follow the instructions that is sent to your email. Now, if you are really sure to delete it, then in this text box at the very bottom, there enter your theme name. Once you enter the theme name, now you'll be able to see this delete theme button right here. Simply click on it and wait for a few seconds. After that, you will be logged out from your account. Also note that only theme owners can delete a theme and the deleted themes cannot be recovered after 14 days. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.